to the University District Street Fair. It's supposed to have like a bunch of different food vendors and shops, and it's beautiful out, so we're excited to just enjoy Seattle weather once it's nice and walk around. So just wanted to welcome you guys to this video. Clearly by the title, we are back in Seattle, so I thought it would be fun to do a little Seattle themed vlog and show you guys the things that we're doing while I am back in the home stomping ground. Alex is here, and so we're gonna be doing some fun stuff to show him around, even though he's been to Seattle plenty times by now.
Around the old stomping grounds.
The old stomping ground. But I'll see you guys at the fair. I want a nice cool drink. I think Alex wants food.
Should I shake it up?
You can't. Of course, we decided to get food from a restaurant instead of eating at the street fair, but we find that it's like really expensive and long lines, and Sizzle and Crunch is so reliable.
Small food, small portion. Ta-da!
Hello friends and good morning. We are cooking up a storm here in the kitchen right now. This is my first time making crepes, so don't get mad at me if they look funky, but they taste good. Ooh. No. First crepe. Whoa.
Somebody order a crepe?
We also made some of the Levain chocolate chip cookies last night, and they were so good. Look at the camera, okay? Look, he's so cute. You're cute, doggy. Behind the scenes of some very important work. Hi guys, so it is Monday now. I didn't really film anything yesterday. We just went to church and I painted this Stanley cup for my mom, which is coming out in a separate video. So since I was filming that and I didn't really leave the house, I didn't really have any other updates for this little vlog video. Plus, since this is more of a Seattle video and I don't go to the city like every day, I figured I would just include more of the Seattle content for this video. Other than that, that was just my little update. Today is kind of just like a work day. I'm going to try to catch up on some editing. While I'm not doing anything very interesting today because I'm just working from home, I figured I would still include a couple clips from my day because like why not? I can show you a little bit of the behind the scenes of what I do on my days at home too. I have a couple things I want to do. I've just been unpacking a lot, but I also just wanted to shout out with all the new clothes that I brought home. I will be selling a lot more of it during the summer. I will be posting a lot soon, but there's still a lot up there. I'm shipping one order right now, so I have to find the item that I'm shipping. I honestly love shipping these items. I sell them on Poshmark because it feels like I have my own small business, even though that's not the case at all. I'm just selling my old clothes. But I don't know, it feels so fun. Like I thoroughly enjoy searching for the item and like packaging it and stuff. Guys, I did my nails last night. I'm kind of rainbow, but my mom showed me her little nail technique because the woman loves doing her nails and she uses two different top coats and it actually worked really well. Like, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but they look so shiny and pretty, so I love it. But anyways, I thought it would also be fun to unbox this little PR package today. You guys know me, fruit themed things are right up my alley. I'm so here for it. Huge thank you to Glow Recipe. This is so cute. Body cream. This is definitely gonna be my new travel and makeup bag. Wow. They did it all. Huge thank you to Glow Recipe and you guys for supporting me, of course. Look at this monster torta my dad brought home. It was only half of it. Hello friends, we are starting off the day with Russell and Alex picking up some poo. We have a fun day ahead of us. We're gonna go into the city today because I'm actually gonna be on a little panel for my friend's club. She's hosting a creator panel for UW Women in Business. I'm excited to see her. I'm excited to speak. I've never really done anything like this before, so I'm a little bit nervous. Hey, I'm nervous. Like, I have stage fright, okay? But I'm also excited. I think it'll be fun. I gave him the impossible mission of trying to shove this giant package with the big pupper jacket into our tiny mailbox. Anyways, we are finally on our way to Seattle. I think we're just gonna get some food. We might hit a thrift store and then we're gonna head to UW for the event. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, you got it in. Yeah, I did. Woo! Woo! He's getting ready to make the best boba ever. We're getting a little post-spa pre-meeting boba. Make it yourself boba. We have a little bit of time to kill, going on a nice little walk. Gasworks is one of Alex's favorite spots when he first visited Seattle because this is, I don't know, the coolest thing he's ever seen.
Well, I just think it's really cool how you make an old gas factory into like a beautiful park.
We got some post-panel gyros, and I also grabbed a mango lassi because I love this stuff and it sounds so good. We are at the thrift store and I'm gonna show you our outfits because our vibe is matching and it's good. We always do this, but we go thrifting when we have like 1 hour, and 1 hour is just not enough for thrifting. We're gonna go in there and see what we can do in an hour. We have been obsessed with this. We keep calling it hojicha, but it's literally not. It's a dirty matcha and it is good. I've never been to this thrift store before. I think it's kind of new in my area and I'm looking for a long denim skirt. I usually never buy like home decor, but this is so cute and I kind of want it. This is kind of like on trend.
How much?
Like $2. $2? I got this dress It's from Lulu's and it's a size medium, but I think it'll be fine because these kind of just look like you tie them. The top is just scrunched and it's a midi dress and it's white. And I think this will be great for layering if I just want it to look like a skirt, but as a summer dress, I think it's perfect.
So she picked out these Tommy Bahama swim trunks for me. I'm a big Tommy Bahama fan, so she knew that.
They work for him, is the
got
thing.
these for me, and I'm so happy she got these for me.
I was in the women's section and I found these shorts. They caught my eye.
Yeah, woman's my butt. Look at these.
Well, okay, anyways, they fit both of us perfectly somehow.
You gotta take the freaking drawstring and freaking zzz.
It's okay, they look good.
Bought her out, so I was in the market for some swim trunks. I also found these. They're $5, little pocket. I don't know, I like them because the inseam. This was an impulse buy. I don't know if anyone knows Ray's Boathouse. Plain blue quarter zip.
We finished with our little thrift trip. We stopped off at a little park on the way back to have a quick little picnic. Current project, I have tried to make probably 3 different hats and I never end up liking how they look on, but hopefully this is the one because switching colors is a lot of work. Hello friends, as you can see, I finished my hat and we are off to another fun day. In Seattle, we're going to check out some stuff that has been on my bucket list, so I can't wait. And I also just noticed these kind of match. I've been colorful. I've never been in a car wash before. Whee! I used to be really afraid of car washes and every time my mom would get one, I would cry.
Actually?
Yeah, isn't this terrifying? We are going to check out this night market, but right now we are a little bit hungry, so we're gonna get some musashi. We are going to this like late night vintage market thing. It's like an indoor store, but it's open really late. It's only open from 3 p.m. till midnight, and I saw it on like TikTok and I've been dying to go. So I'm so excited. It is like 8 p.m. right now and I love it because all stores close so early for us people who are late risers. Anyways guys, that's gonna be the end to this video, so thank you so much for joining us back here in Seattle and hanging out with us. I hope that you enjoyed this little vlog, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know if you want to see more Seattle vlogs or vlogs in general. But thank you guys so much and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.